Hi, welcome to 3994 Diane Road. I'm in Port Pine Heights today. It's a community in the island of Big Pine Key. The house we're at today is a brand new listing. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,400 square feet on a 6,000 square foot lot, lots of room here. We sit across the street from the Great White Heron National Wildlife Preserve, so you'll never have anybody across the street from you. You've got some great open water views. The house has had lots of updates. We've got impact glass, elevated here in an AE flood zone. And we're also on the water here, as you can tell. Here's our canal with great boating access out to the Atlantic Ocean. So let's go in and take a look.